Thank you for tuning in to this short series on the book of Philippians. The book of Philippians is 4 chapters. It's a very short book. It is a short letter that the Apostle Paul wrote to the church at Philippi, but this book is filled with a lot of nuggets. It tells us about how to serve God and having peace and unspeakable joy while you're serving God, a joy that the world cannot take away, which is very important. This book has what I would call a great nugget in it, speaking of the deity of Christ, that Christ is not just some prophet or something. He is the eternal one. He is God come down in the flesh. He is God the Son sent by God the Father, equal to God the Father. And this book also will help you to understand how to endure through hardships, and that no matter what, you should continue to trust in the true and living God. I pray that this short series and summary will be a blessing to you.